Today we're going through the 10 top voted home deals as chosen by you, the community. Now, as always, we left a link to all these deals in one easy place and you can find that in the description. And if you happen to buy any of these deals, small disclosure, Slickdeals may receive a commission. That does not affect how we rank these deals because we didn't rank them, you did. Let's get into our first deal. Right now you get a Vitamix 5300 professional blender with a 64-ounce container for only $230. Now it's manufacturer refurbished by Vitamix, but normally this retails for about $350. And if you get it, you can make your own Will It Blend series. Number 9, Bydidge has a Cuisinart TOB 195 toaster oven broiler on sale for $130. Now my only issue with this is that it looks like it can only cook 9 bagel bites at a time, which is just not enough. Number 8, Home Depot has a Brookside upholstered platform bed with headboard starting at $111 if you have a twin XL and going up in price as your bed gets bigger. Number 7, Amazon has the Zojirushi Zutto 5-cup drip coffee maker on sale for only $53. Now this is a very popular brand and Slick Dealers have a lot of good things to say about this particular product in the comments. So if you need a caffeine fix, this deal is for you. Number 6, Home Depot has a KitchenAid 44 dBA built-in stainless steel dishwasher on sale for $598. Now this is retailing for over $1,000 at other retailers. It's 44 dBA, so it's pretty quiet, but that means you can't use it as a makeshift subwoofer, which was what I was planning on doing with it. Number 5, Seattle Coffee Gear has the Saeco Incanto Plus Superautomatic Espresso machine on sale for $480 with coupon code AUTO20. Now this normally retails for over $1,000, and it has the word Superautomatic in the name, which is somehow more automated than regular automatic. Number 4, Amazon has the Roborock S5 robot vacuum and mop on sale for $380 with promo code ROBOROCKS5. Now, if your cat is not terrified of this, please put it on top, take a video, and post it to Reddit for some sweet, sweet karma. Now, if you don't want to keep adding all these promo codes yourself because it's super annoying to keep copying and pasting, we built an extension for that. You can download the Slickdeals browser extension for free and it will auto-apply coupons for you. More details in the description below. Number 3, Home Depot has select Serta convertible sofas on sale starting at $325. Now these normally retail for $500. And I want to know, people with futons, how often do you actually use it? Because I had a futon and I think I turned it into a couch like 3 times total. Our number 2 deal is from Target. They have a Contigo Autospout stainless steel water bottle on sale for $10.52. Normal price $20, so you're getting about half off. And I'm gonna get 2 of these and double fist them. Our number 1 top voted deal of the day is also from Target. They're having a 50% off sale on select space heaters. Now there are a bunch of brands available and some of these are pretty cheap, starting at about $7.50. Personally, I'm in LA, so I don't need a space heater, but I might pick a couple up to keep those bagel bites warm. So that's it, those are the 10 top voted home deals currently found on Slickdeals. As always, you can find a link to all these deals in the description below and throw us a like and let us know in the comments what category you want to see on our Friday episode.